How to copy messages from Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy messages from Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Messenger app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you can head over to any text or any DMs that you want. So let's say you want to go to here. I'll just go here or here, does not matter wherever I go. And after you're here, let's say I want to copy this text right here. To do that, simply long press on the text and there you will find the copy button. Tap on copy, and after you copy this text, you can head over to any other DMs and then paste it. As you can see, long press on your chat box, tap on paste and send it. You can do this in your other apps as well, such as this is my WhatsApp. If I long press here on the text area, it will give me the paste button again. Tap on it again and send it again. And that's basically how you copy messages from Messenger. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe.